We will be reading a nonfiction book called Earth and Moon. Here's the table of contents. Our home, night and day, good night moon, on the move, let's do science, glossary, index in your turn. Our home. We all live on Earth. Earth is a round planet in space that rotates or spins. It also travels around a big bright star called the sun. Earth is always moving. Night and day. You cannot feel it, but Earth is always moving. It takes 24 hours to make one full turn. As it rotates, the part of Earth that faces the sun gets light and warmth. On that part of the planet, it is day. Earth rotates on its axis, just like a top. Earth axis. Earth rotates on its axis. An axis is an imaginary line that Earth spins around. It is daytime in New York. At the same time, the other part of the Earth faces away from the sun. On that part of Earth, it is night. As Earth rotates, night turns into day and day turns into night. It is daytime on one side of Earth. It is nighttime on the other side. Here, it is nighttime in China. In the morning, the sun appears to rise. It rises on the east. The sun reaches the highest point in the afternoon. In the evening, the sun appears to sink in the sky. It sets in the west. Morning, afternoon, evening. Good night, moon. As the sun sets, the moon becomes easier to see in the sky. It does not always look the same. It changes every night. The moon changes because it travels around the earth. These changes are called phases. Day or night. We mainly see the moon at night, but sometimes we can see it during the day. This shows the moon's phases. The sun lights half the moon, just like it lights Earth. The other half of the moon is in darkness. Here we can only see part of the lit side of the moon. As the moon moves around Earth, we see part of the lit side. The moonwalk. Only 12 people have walked on the moon. About once a month, the entire sunlit side of the moon faces Earth. This phase is called a full moon. When the sunlit part is facing away from Earth, we cannot see the moon. This phase is called a new moon. A new moon looks as though there is no moon in the sky. On the move. Earth is constantly on the move. So is the moon. Because of all this movement, we have days and nights. We have different phases of the moon, and we have special place to call home. This is what Earth looks like from the moon. Glossary, index, your turn. The end. I hope you liked it.